Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am laicharris and today I'm going to be attempting to do a soft glam look. As you guys can see here, it's what I came up with. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, so I already did my eyebrows like I always do off camera. So I'm just going to start the base for my eyelids. I'm just going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer and just apply that all over my eyelids. And then I'm just going to blend that in. Everything that I'm using will be listed down below. Okay, so since I'm doing a soft glam look, I'm going to do my eyes really neutral. I was looking at a few tutorials and everything that I've seen was like a lot of neutral brown colors. Some people did some shimmer. I don't think I'm going to do shimmer, but I am going to keep it pretty neutral on my eyes. So probably like browns and tans and things like that. I'm going to take this color here and put this in my crease. Then I'm going to go in with this color right down here, just to darken it up a little bit. Then I'm just taking a clean brush and just blending in and brushing out this like harsh line up here. It's not too much because it's a neutral color, but just in case, so it don't look crazy, I'm going to just blend up in the brow bone area. And now I'm just going to take some concealer and like do a slight cut crease, nothing too crazy because it doesn't have to be really sharp, but I'm just going to cut my crease a little bit just so that when I lay this lighter color it shows a lot more. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. And then I'm going to take this color here, which is Yara. I'm going to take Yara and I'm just going to apply that to the area that I just did the cut crease on. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with this darker color here and apply that to my crease just to darken it up a little bit more. Okay, and then I'm just going to blend this cut crease, or just blend on my crease section. I'm just going to blend that out because I did add that darker color up there and it is kind of harsh now, so I'm just going to blend it out again. Now I'm just blending out the top with a clean brush just to make sure everything is seamless, and this is going to be like the lightest and the slightest cut crease situation going on here. Okay, so that's going to be it for the eyes. Not doing too much because it's supposed to be neutral. Okay, so I'm going to go put on some lashes. The lashes that I'm going to be using are from Lurella, and they are the numbers, I'm not sure, but I'll let you guys know. I'll put it in the description box down below if I can find it. Okay, so now that my lashes are done, I'm just going to add some black eyeliner to the lash line just to darken it up a little bit. I saw Jackie Aina do this, so I'm going to do it and see how that works. Okay, so now we're going to go into the face. I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I'm going to apply that all over my face. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the color 355 Coconut, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face. Actually, before I do that, I'm actually going to color correct. So I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Orange to color correct my dark spots. Everywhere that I put the orange concealer, I'm just going to blend it out with this Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the foundation and then blend it in with my foundation brush. And then after I blend it with my foundation brush, I'm going to use my beauty sponge. Okay, so now I'm taking my concealer by Makeup Revolution and I'm going to add that to the center of my face, underneath my eyes, around my mouth, and down my nose. And then I'm just going to blend it out with my beauty sponge. And I seen somewhere on a video, because I was watching a lot of soft glam tutorials, and I seen basically like they were applying their concealer in like a upside down triangle, so I'm gonna see what that's about. So this concealer, I'm just gonna let it sit on my face for a few seconds, but not too long because this concealer dries kind of quickly. So I'm just gonna let it sit on my face for a little second and then I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a lighter concealer, which is like maybe like 2 shades lighter than the one I just used. And I'm going to apply that to the center of my face again, but I'm not going to take it all the way out, because I just want to really highlight the center just a little bit more. And while I'm letting that sit, I'm just going to add in my contour color, and the contour color that I'm going to use is this Conceal and Define contour color. It's the same as the concealer I just used, but it's in the color C17, and I'm just going to use that on my jawline, my cheekbones, and my forehead, and I'm just going to blend that out. And now I'm just going to blend out the highlight color. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Airspun powder and apply that to all the areas that I just highlighted. And I'm going to go into my Saharan blush palette volume 1, and I'm going to add this color here for my contour color. And now I'm taking a fluffier brush and just blending out the contour. Alright, so I'm just going to wipe off the excess powder. And I'm also going to add some powder to my eyebrows because they are pretty shiny and I don't like that. Okay, so now I'm going to do blush. I'm going to go in with, I think I'm going to try this color here. And lightly add that to the apples of my cheeks. I'm still trying to figure out this blush thing here. I'm going to take a little bit of that contour color and lightly put it along the bridge of my nose. Going in from my eyelids to like the bridge. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with my BH Cosmetics neutral palette, and I'm just going to add this color here to my lower lash line just to give it some color. Okay, so I'm going to spray my face now. The spray that I'm going to use is going to be by Bakerie. I'm just going to spray that all over my face, and then I'm going to go into adding a little bit of highlight and doing my lips and underneath my eyes. I'm going to go back in with my Saharan blush palette, and I'm going to be using this color here. I'm just going to lightly highlight my face. I don't want it to be too much, but I just feel like I'm missing something. Maybe that's what soft glam is supposed to be, no highlight. We're still gonna do it. is soft. Yeah, I think this is giving me soft. Okay, so I'm going to take a brown lip liner and line my lips. And then I'm just going to use this lip gloss from Forever 21. It came in like a holiday pack. The color is taupe, and I'm just going to apply that to the center of my lips. And then I'm just going to put some mascara on my lower lash line. The mascara that I'm going to be using is the Lash Stiletto by Maybelline. Okay, so I'm just going to go do my hair really quick, just like fix it up a little bit, and then I'm going to come back to you guys with my finished look. Okay, so this is the finished look. This is what it's looking like here. I don't know if we can call this soft glam, because to be honest, I'm not quite sure I know exactly what soft glam is. I know that this looks a lot more full coverage than what I usually do. You can definitely see my contour, the blush, the highlight. I think it looks a lot more full coverage than what I usually do, but maybe, I don't know if it's coming off like that. It's like a lot of looks that I've done before, but it just seems like more full coverage. And then I tried to blend it so there's like no harsh lines. So hopefully it's a soft glam. If you guys like this video, if it was helpful for you guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below what you think. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.